Welcome to my channel. Subscribe to my channel if you like such videos. So I'm wearing a double layered neck piece and Afghani earrings, and I'm wearing this really beautiful dress kind ethnic kurta from Janpat. And so this has very beautiful detail to it, which is a tassel and the color tassel, so it's adding a funkiness to the whole look. So the first step is wear the kurta as it is. Next is wear your kurta with boots and some really junky jewelry. So it should be heavy looking junky jewelry to give it a gothic Banjaran kind of a look. So the boots give it a very westernized look, and the overall fusion is created with the jewelry and your half tie of a bun. It is Angrakha style, so you can wear it as a dress and you can give it a very grungy gothic kind of a look because it's black color. So this is with a very sexy appeal. So basically when you wear the boots, even if you're wearing tights or even if you're wearing plazo, you can just remove it if you're going for a dinner date or a pub or a date night like a dancing night. So you can wear this and look totally sexy. Groove around and like move with your angrakha and wave it around to give it a very feminine but yet sexy and very gothic kind of a look. So the beauty of this look is you haven't done much, but you're looking so like party kind of a person. You're just wearing a simple thing. It's summery. It's good to go. And even if you want, you can pair it up with a blazer or a jacket, denim jacket, to give it even more grungy look. Aha, so this is my favorite look. So I wore a crop top with a very ethnic, beautiful yellow skirt and a contrasting dupatta. Then I wore a silver neck piece with the kundan jewelry. So basically I played around with a lot of colors. I could play around with silver and golden as jewelry, and with pink and mustard and black as a combination of the whole outfit. This is very good combination if you just want to play around with whatever you have in your wardrobe, and this is like recycling, upcycling whatever you have. So don't worry if you can't go out in corona times and you don't know what to wear. Just combine these three things and you will look beautiful. So this is good for Diwali, Durga Puja, Diwali Melas, any kind of festival. So I'm wearing a white anarkali sort of, and so I teamed it up with a white crop top and a plazo, and so I am showing my midriff. Now I'm going to team it up with a shrug. So this outfit is the highlight is the shrug. Then I'm going to wear some really nice rings. These are very junky silver jewelry, and then I'm going to team it up with the Afghani earrings and the neck piece. Clear heels work really well with any outfit, and I'm going to wear a choker as well. So this is a very classy, if you're going for a wine kind of a date, then you can wear this. It's not going off the edge, and you look nice and simple yet classy. So this outfit is the most easy and simple one. Oh man, the sari. Oh my god, I love white saris and I love saris that show your midriff. So basically I'm going to team this angrakha on me, and I'm going to tie it on the top of my sari after I tie my sari. So half tied sari is already there and I have only the pallu to drape around. So I'm going to tie the whole kurta and then I'm going to drape around the sari over me. So it will give a very merging, blending kind of a look, and it will give a flow to it. It will give more ethnic, more vibrant kind of a look once I team it up with jewelry, and very classy. You can wear it to like exhibitions, art exhibitions and all. white color is such that you can always wear it to every kind of event. Basically, it's a very versatile color. So if you want it to look sober, you can make it look sober. If you want it to look bright and nice and like something classy or something festive, you can do that with lot of accessorizing. I really hope you like this video, and if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel to see more such videos, and comment down below whatever ideas you have for the next videos. Bye bye.